Do you know that sardine oil can get rid of eczema, acne? In this video, I'm going to show you how to use sardine oil to get rid of any stubborn acne or stubborn eczema on your face or on your body. First of all, let's talk about sardine oil. Sardine oil contains omega-3 fats, which is very, very important in nourishing skin and also stand as anti-aging against any form of acne or any form of eczema on skin. So it fights eczema and also fight acne from your skin also. And two, it contains vitamins. It contains vitamin C, vitamin D. It also contains all sorts of vitamins that your skin needs to nourish, to fight against skin reaction and also to fight against any form of reaction on your skin there. So how do you use sardine oil? Ignore that sardine, my baby. How do you use sardine oil to get rid of eczema? We all know that eczema is a reaction gotten. It's not, most people think that eczema is gotten from a dirty skin or someone that is dirty, someone that's not taking care of his own personal or his or her personal hygiene. No, eczema does not associate with dirty people. Eczema can also be gotten from all those fake lotions that we bought out there, like those fake lotions that contain steroids, that contains mercury, all those. And if you are having a sensitive skin and you bought a product that contains steroids and mercury, it can give you all sorts of reactions. It can even give you acne and also give you this eczema. So eczema is not for those people that put on dirty clothes, that does not wash their clothes well, that we think in those days, that we think that those people that does not wash their clothes well are those people that are having eczema on the skin. It's not only those people. Lotions also gives eczema on body. Those harsh chemical lotions also gives eczema on your skin there. So, and also this sardine oil also treats and gets rid of acne too. In case you have been battling with acne and you have tried all sorts of lotions, all sorts of tube to get rid of that acne from your face, this product is also good. This sardine oil is also good to reduce the appearance of acne. You know that sound? To reduce the appearance of acne and also to get rid of that acne finally from your skin or from your face there. So how do you use the sardine oil? You remove the fish from the oil and apply the oil direct to your face because it has no effect on your face. It will not give you any form of side effect on your face. So you apply it directly on your face. Then, like now, for example, I'm having the sardine oil. I want to apply it. I'm having an eczema on my face, or I'm having an acne on my face. I will apply it on my face here. So I'll apply it on the affected part that is affected with acne or affected with eczema on the face. When I apply it, I keep on doing it. It's not that I'm going to do it today and overnight I will try to see result or I'll be expecting result from it. So I will keep on doing it. By me keeping on doing it, you will see that eczema, that space of that eczema will be fading away. And the good thing about the sardine oil, when the eczema or the acne has faded away or he has gotten rid of that acne or eczema, you are not going to see that dark spot on it. You know, when you heal from an acne, there's always a dark spot. That is when you apply dark spot corrector on your face there. But this one is not going to leave any dark spot. It treats the dark spot also. You also get rid of that dark spot and also get rid of that acne and also get rid of that eczema from your face there. So you see that this sardine oil that contains omega-3 and also vitamin works in different way by getting rid of the acne or eczema and also getting rid of any form of dark spot that occur after getting rid of the eczema and also getting rid of the acne from your face there. So sardine oil is very, very good. It's not about eating it alone. It's not about using it to eat bread or adding it to your rice or adding it to your stew or those. It's not about it. It has a health benefit also and also have a skin benefit. It's a skin benefit that I'm talking about. In this skin benefit, when you apply to see your skin glowing, you can also use it. It's not about those that have acne or eczema also can also use it. If you want to achieve a glowing skin, you want to have a smooth face, your face is very rough, you want to have a smooth face, you can also use this sardine oil also to apply on that rough face or that rough skin. Then you see that roughness will become very smooth. You have that baby skin there. So you love my baby. I have to cut this video because my baby is really disturbing. So if you find this video very helpful and you love my channel, you find it very helpful, please do not forget to subscribe. Do not forget to click on that bell icon. That anytime we post new video, you know that Wiki Skincare has posted new video. You will get notification from YouTube that Wiki Skincare has posted new video. And do not forget to subscribe. When you subscribe, when someone come to this video and see, when you comment, pardon me, when you comment, when someone come to this video, you will see your comment. That it will encourage the person to watch more and to also subscribe to. And do not forget to share. When you share, the agony is going to also share it to others too, to tell them that this